down, like the sky is tired of waiting. Every drop, a word I never said. The asphalt shines like a broken mirror. I see myself, but I don't know this face. The engine breathes in time with my heart. I keep moving, stopping never saved a soul. The rain doesn't ask if I'm ready, it just falls like light does. It washes mistakes, dissolves beliefs, teaches the body not to fight the cold. There's freedom in discomfort. There's truth when everything runs. I ride alone, but I'm not lost. The road speaks in a wet language. Every curve, an old decision. Every straight line, a promise I never made. While the world hides, I move forward, face open to whatever comes. In the end, we are all water, looking for shade before we disappear.